Nice. Really is.
Happy?
Yeah, very. Yeah.
Good. So we do a full arch surgery. The aim is to remove the failing teeth. You can see we've had a bit of bone loss, a bit of gum disease in the past. So we're going to take them out, put 4 implants in and try and fix some teeth on today. So the patient came in with 5 teeth, gap, denture that they were getting sick of, and you're going to walk out hopefully today with fixed teeth. We've just finished our treatment for Steve, who's been absolutely brilliant. He was unbelievable to manage. So let's see what Steve thinks. Steve's had his teeth removed, implants placed and a bridge fitted immediately.
Mm-hmm.
Firstly, Steve, has it been okay?
Yeah, it's been excellent, mate. God. Nice. Yeah, really good, mate. That's excellent.
Okay.
Yeah.
And just bite together, so they fit quite nicely together.
Mm-hmm.